Hey guys, how you doing? Henry Mowers and Blowers. This is the third part of Mother Load 9. Got it for free. Guy just gave it to me. It's a Husqvarna wheat trimmer. I was reluctant to take it, but you know me, it's free, so I'll make use of it somehow. It's a straight shaft. Everybody wants the straight shaft, which I don't know why, because with a straight shaft it makes it difficult to edge. You have to discombobulate your arm. It's a 128L. Guy said that it ran last year, and this year he just doesn't know why. So I'm going to figure it out. So I just dumped out the remaining gas that was in there, and it smells funky. And it's got a little bit of water in it. Just a little bit, not a lot. Plus, there's quite a lot of sediment in there, too. So it's funky gas with a little bit of water. I'm going to put some fresh in there. Not only does it have funky gas and water, but this was rattling around in it. And the fuel line is crumbly. I'm going to have to change that fuel line. This cover just comes off. Good sign. Filter looks kind of clean. To access the fuel line, remove those two carburetor bolts there. Two bolts are off, and this cover just comes off like that. So far so good, guys. It looks pretty clean. Carburetor's on. Got a couple of new lines there. This was the old one. This other one is still here. It seems actually okay. So I'm just going to stuff one in there, the fuel line, and attach it to the fuel filter. Just want to tell you what a complete pain in the ass this is. It's like super impossible to get this stuff in there, you know? You try different ways to do it, you know? It sucks. I got so completely fed up with it that I had to change both lines. See what I mean when I say I don't like working on these little damn things? Pain in the ass. Anyway, I'm going to take that off just to see what's in there. See if it's dirty or not. Not too dirty at all. I mean, there's some right near that fuel needle. You see that debris in there? Very little, though. Metering diaphragm has some speckles. I'll just blow that out with carb cleaner. So I put that back. That's where the metering diaphragm is. And of course, my day wouldn't be complete until I break the primer bulb. Yes, now my day's complete. And in my box of parts and supplies, I have the new primer bulb. That fits too. Jawohl. The other side is a different story. See that mesh part there? That's disgusting. Gotta blow that out. That's the way it ought to look. My neighbor just came by and he talked to me for like an hour. Jesus Christ. Totally forgot what the hell I was doing. I don't even remember what I was doing, you know what I'm saying? So, I put everything back and I don't think it's working because when I press the thing, no air, fuel is not filling the bulb. It's just leaky, like air is leaking or something. I think the diaphragms are all screwed up. So I don't think it's going to work. I did spray some carb cleaner in there and try to fire it up. It did fire up a little and then it stopped, so it's not getting any fuel. I think I might just buy a new carburetor. They're only like 10 bucks. You know, it's a Zama, fake Zama, whatever. I'll let you know what happens. Would you believe it?